Hi guys, my name is Chavi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. So I'm filming this proper video for the very first time in this new room. Now this is how it looks if you're wondering. Anyways, I'll do a proper room tour once I'm done setting it up because my stuff is all over the place right now. Anyways, for this video you have already seen the thumbnail and read the title. I'm going to show you some of the things from Sarojini that I got which are appropriate for office as well, for office wear. Now I want to give this one disclaimer that ये सब चीज़ें I can wear to my office because it is a digital marketing company. So you know we don't have any dress code or any restrictions of that sort. And if that is something you are also interested in, please keep on watching. And that being said, I have kept it very modest as well. एक चीज़ है जो I think you all know I wear a lot and is also very essential. तो वो चीज़ आपके अगर मतलब की नहीं है, you can skip on that. But most of these I have kept very modest. And yeah, that being said, if you're interested, without further ado, let's get started. Also, I'm so sorry if you can hear the noise of this fan. I cannot actually switch it off because बहुत बड़ा रूम है, ये जल्दी से ठंडा नहीं होता. इसमें अगर मैंने ये बंद कर दिया, you guys, you already know how much I sweat and I will be all over the place and you don't want that. So I am so sorry. Also, I'll start using a mic, so maybe वो दिक्कत ना हो. Alright, first up we have jeans. Now, if you're lucky enough to find your perfect size, there's nothing like it because jeans बहुत अच्छी मिल जाती हैं. सरोजनी में मैं पहले नहीं खरीदती थी, but then जब मैंने खरीदनी स्टार्ट करी और वो बिल्कुल परफेक्ट फिट की मिलती हैं, you guys, 200 रुपीज़ में या 100 रुपीज़ में जीन्स अगर मिल रही है, what else do you want? So this is the first pair that I wear a lot. You all already know this is used and how. So this I got for what, 200 rupees I guess, and it's been here for so long now. तो jeans आपको सरोजनी में बहुत अच्छी मिल जाएंगी if you put in the efforts. So number one we have jeans. Jeans बहुत versatile हैं. You can wear them to office, casual, like क्या बता रही हूँ मैं, जीन्स तो सबको पता ही होता है. Moving on, we have shirts. Now this particular shirt, this is like a tennis shirt. I don't know if I'm right, but मेरे को ऐसा लगता है. So this is what the material is like. तो ऐसी शर्ट्स या फिर नॉर्मल कॉटन शर्ट्स आपको बहुत सारी मिल जाएंगी सरोजनी में, और शर्ट्स ऑफिस के लिए परफेक्ट होती है. लाइक इफ़ यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू वेयर, पुट ऑन अ पेयर ऑफ जीन्स, अ शर्ट, sports shoes and you're done. So I think Sarojini mein you will get a lot of options for just rupees 100, 200, 150 and even for rupees 50 अगर वो 30 में आपको मिल जाता है. So shirts I would say are a must buy from Sarojini when it comes to your office wear. Moving on, we have कुर्ताज. नाउ कुर्ता बहुत ही चटक भटक हमें नहीं पहनना होता ऑफिस में. इफ़ यू वांट टू वेयर तो यू वांट टू गो फॉर समथिंग कैजुअल. सो दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई गॉट. बहुत पहले मैंने किसी वीडियो में भी दिखाया है. तो मेरे पास एक्चुअली सरोजनी का सिर्फ एक यही कुर्ता है. सो दिस इज़ वॉट इट लुक्स लाइक. नाउ दिस इज़ नॉट वेरी लॉन्ग, नॉट वेरी शॉर्ट एज वेल. ये आपके नीज से थोड़ा सा ऊपर ही आता है. तो आई थिंक दैट इज़ द परफेक्ट लेंथ व्हेन इट कम्स टू माई कैजुअल कुर्ता. दिस इज कॉटन, परफेक्ट फॉर समर्स एंड इवन मानसून. Monsoon is here, so I think this would be a really good option for your office wear. And now that monsoon is here, my skin looks so dull and greasy and even acne, like you cannot see them because अभी makeup लगा हुआ है, but monsoon में बहुत ज़्यादा acne होता है. So I started using these new products. Now let me show you what they are. Alright, so these are few of the products that I've been using for a while now and I'm loving them. And how? So this is Pilgrim's Secrets of Jeju Island Oil Free Gel Moisturizer. This is their Jeju Island range and I love it so much. This is the oil free moisturizer. Then we have volcanic lava ash face wash. This is what the packaging looks like. And we also have skin clarifying serum. This has niacinamide and alpha arbutin. So this is very good for acne marks. You all know niacinamide is really nice when it comes to your marks and you know making your skin look very hydrated, all of those good things. So yeah, I've been using all of these products. I've been loving them so much. Okay, so this is what the face wash looks like. Then we have the serum. This is what the serum looks like. And then we have this oil free gel moisturizer, and it also comes with this spoolie, so they've taken care of the hygiene as well. They've helped me a lot with my acne, reducing marks and even you know enhancing my skin tone. You can also use the code PGMonsoon15 to get these on additional discounts. Now that has to be one such amazing thing, because who doesn't like saving money? Pilgrim is also PETA certified and a plastic positive Indian brand, and all of these products are suitable for all skin type, for both men and women. Please don't forget to use this code to get some additional discount. Okay, now that we're done talking about this range, let me just go ahead and tell you about the prices as well. This face wash is for rupees 350. Then we have the gel moisturizer for rupees 495, and the serum is for rupees 650. So I start my skincare with the Pilgrim Volcanic Lava Face Wash. It refreshes my face with powerful yet effective and gentle cleanser. Crafted with volcanic lava, ash and white lotus, this non-foaming cleanser doesn't strip off my skin of its protective moisture barrier. Moving on, I apply this skin clarifying serum. It has niacinamide, which strengthens the skin barrier, retains moisture, reduces fine lines and brightens up your natural skin tone. Alpha arbutin reduces the appearance of age spots and dark spots. And lastly, I apply my favorite oil-free gel moisturizer by Pilgrim. This one is perfect for monsoon since the texture is so light and hydrating at the same time. The key ingredients include niacinamide, hyaluronic acid and willow bark. Okay, now that we're done talking about my monsoon skincare, please don't forget to check out these products. The link will be there in my description box below. Moving on to the next thing, we are done with 3 things. So a pair of jeans, then we have t-shirts, and we have kurta, basic casual kurtas you can get from Sarojini. Moving on, we have tank tops. Now this I was saying ki I don't know if you are allowed to wear all of this, but I am, so I'm just putting this out there. You can also grab such tank tops. These are very good for monsoon and summers, तो ये बहुत handy रहते हैं. Also, if you're not very comfortable wearing such type of clothes, you can just wear them with a shirt over it. जैसे मैंने ये वाली शर्ट दिखाई है ना, मुझे 3 हफ्ते हुए हैं ऑफिस जाते हुए, मैंने ये 10 बार ऑलरेडी पहन ली होगी, तो मैं बता रही हूँ ये मैंने बहुत ज़्यादा पहनी है. तो these kind of shirts come very handy. आप इनको ऐसे के ऐसे भी पहन सकते हैं. You can use them as over shirts as well. So these tops are very affordable. 50, 100, मतलब 50 का तो मेरे को ये वाला मिला था I guess. तो वो राउंड वाले में if you can find तो ये मिल जाएगा. नहीं तो 100, 150, 200 मैक्सिमम. 200 भी नहीं, 150 मैक्सिमम में आपको ये वाले टॉप्स बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. ये लेयरिंग के लिए बहुत अच्छे हैं. So you can wear this with a shirt over it, like cotton shirts, and then we have jeans and shoes, whatever you want to wear. तो एक स्ट्रक्चर भी मिल जाता है because these are fitted. So I think this is a must buy as well. Moving on to the last thing, we have t-shirts. Now this is not from Sarojini obviously, this is from Levi's. I haven't actually bought a lot of t-shirts Sarojini से, but एक दो हैं, उनकी मैं फोटो डाल दूंगी या कुछ भी डाल दूंगी यहाँ पर. But हाँ, मैं ज़्यादा टी शर्ट्स खरीदती नहीं हूँ. तो टी शर्ट अगर आपको खरीदनी है, सरोजनी में बहुत सारी मिल जाएंगी. यू हैव लॉट ऑफ ऑप्शंस. एक दो शॉप्स तो आई गेस ऐसी भी हैं जहाँ पे H&M ज़ारा की आपको शर्ट्स मिल जाएंगी, टी शर्ट्स मिल जाएंगी. तो यू नीड टू चेक दैट आउट एज वेल. अगर मेरे को शॉप नंबर किसी भी वीडियो से या फिर अपने ही किसी नोट्स में मिला तो आई राइट इट हियर. आई थिंक दीज आर द 5 ऑप्शंस दैट आई वुड वांट टू गिव टू यू इफ you want to shop affordable for your office wear. And yeah, that being said, that is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment. You know the drill, and I'll meet you in my next video very, very soon. Until then, goodbye.